Students, today in this third video of HCF and LCM, we are going to continue with exercise 11, that is your practice set 11. In this practice set, we'll learn to factorize the numbers. So let us start with the lecture. Here in exercise, that is your practice set 11, when you will see first question, we have to factorize 32. We have to factorize the number 32. So let us factorize 32, students. So here I'll teach you how to factorize 32 number. So just a second, students, we'll continue with the sum. Here when we'll factorize 32, we'll make vertical arrangement as shown in this slide, students. I'll write 32 like this. 32 is written. Now we'll check whether 32 is divisible by 1. See, 1 is the divisor of every number, so we'll not take 1. We'll see the smallest 2. We'll check whether 32 is divisible by 2 or not. Now students, how to check the given number is divisible by 2 or not? Students, you will see the last digit. If last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, any one of the given numbers over here is there in last digit, we can say the number is divisible by 2. Here when you will see 32, last digit is 2, students. Last digit is 2. Here 2 is there. Yes, 2 is there. That means the number is divisible by 2, students. 32 is divisible by 2. So let us divide 32 by 2, students. We'll divide 32 by 2. When we'll divide 32 by 2, here I'll write 32, students. Let us write 32. I'll divide 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2, students. But here it is 3. That means 1 will left. It will become 12. 2 6 are 12. So your answer will be 16, students. Our answer will be 16. I'll repeat, students. First you will check whether the given number 32 is divisible by 2 or not. How to check whether the given number 32 is divisible by 2 or not? What you will do, students, you will see whether the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If any one of the given 5 numbers are there in the last digit, we can say the number is divisible by 2. Here when you will see last digit is 2, that means the number is divisible by 2. If any other number is there other than these 5 numbers in the last digit, we'll say the number is not divisible by 2. For example, suppose here instead of 32 we are having 35, then in that case the last digit will be 5. Here 5 is not there, students. So here we can say 35 is not divisible by 2. 35 is not divisible by 2, students. So here you will remember, you will just see the last digit. In the last digit, if 0 is there, or 2 is there, or 4 is there, or 6 is there, or 8 is there, any one number is there, we'll say the number is divisible by 2. So here we are having 2. That means 32 is divisible by 2. Let us divide 32 by 2. How will we divide 32 by 2, students? We will not go for normal division. We will do like this as I am showing now. We will write 32. 2 ones are 2, but it is 3. 1 extra is there. I'll write 1 here. It will become 12. 2 6 are 12. So our answer is 16. When we will divide 32 by 2, our answer is 16. So here I'll write 2 and our answer is 16 when we will divide. Now we'll check for 16 whether 16 is divisible by 2 or not. 2 8s are 16. Directly we can know that this is divisible by 2. So we'll divide by 2. 2 8s are 16. In the same way, students, we can divide 8. We can divide this 8 by 2. 2 4s are 8, and later on 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2, students. 2 1s are 2. Now 1 is the smallest number, smallest integer. It cannot be smallest whole number. It cannot be divisible by any other number. other than 1, so we can say we'll stop the factorization and we'll write factors into primes. We'll write factors into primes. Factor will become, we'll write in horizontal arrangement, 32 is equal to 2 into 2, 4. See how many 2's are there, you will count 1 2 3 4 5 2's are there, 1 2 3. We'll write 2 more 2's, 4, and then this is 5. So this is the answer, students. This is the answer. So this is the way how you will factorize the number. Let us take one more example so it will be easy for you to understand. Now here I am taking 57, students. I am taking 57. So let us start with 57. I'll write 57. When you will see last digit, it is 7. It is it 0 2 4 6 8? No, none of the number is there in last digit. It is something other than these numbers. Something other than these numbers is there. It is 57. So here 7 is there in the last digit, and that is the reason why the number 57 is not divisible by 2. Now let us check whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. Now how to check whether the number 57 is divisible by 3 or not? What will we do, students? We'll add, 57 is there, students. We'll add the digits. When we'll add the digits, we'll get 12. Students, 12 is divisible by 3. 12 is divisible by 3. Here 12 is divisible by 3, that means 57 must be divisible by 3, students. So here we'll come to know that the 57 is divisible by 3. I'll repeat again, students. I'll repeat how to check whether the number 57 is divisible by 3 or not. What will we do, students? We'll add the digits. When we'll add the digits, here answer is 12. Since 12 is divisible by 3, the number 57 will be divisible by 3. This is a way how you will check whether the given number is divisible by 3 or not. Now here 57 is divisible by 3, we know. So let us divide 57 by 3, students. So here we are having 57. I'll divide by 3. 3 ones are 3, but it is far 2 extra, so I'll write 2 here. Here it will become 27. 3 nines are 27. So our answer is 19. So I'll write 19 over here, students. I'll write 19. So I'll just write 19 here. When I'll divide by 3, I'll get 19. Now, students, 19 is a prime number. We have already studied what is prime number and how to check whether the given number is prime or not. So here 19 is a prime number. We'll get 57. We'll stop factorization, students, because 19 is a prime number. 57 is equal to 3 into 19. 3 into 19. Students, if it is 1, we'll not write. But if it is more than 1, then we'll write here in factorization. 3 into 19 is the factor of 57. So here we have done second sum also. In the same way, you can do all, students. For example, I'll take one more. Students, when you will see third one, for your information, third one, when will we see? Third one, 23. 23 is a prime number, students. And prime number, they are either divisible by their own or by 1. So here factor of 23 will be 1 into 23 only, not any other number. So here you will write this answer. No need to factorize, no need to do any procedure for this 23, students. Let us check for 150, students. Let us take one more example. When we'll take one more example, 150. See here, students, I'll write 150. Last digit is 0. That means the number is divisible by 2. I told you that if the number is divisible by 2, the last digit must be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now here it is 0, that means 150 is divisible by 2. So let us divide the number by 2, students. So here 1 5 0, I'll divide by 2. See, 1 is smaller than 2. So what we'll do, students, we'll divide 15 by 2. 2 sevens are 14. 1 left. It will become 10. 10, students. Now 2 5s are 10. So our answer is 75, students. We'll write 75. When we'll divide 150 by 2 will get 75 students. Now 75 last digit is 5. Last digit is 5. It is not 0, not 2, not 4, not 6, not 8. So the number is not divisible by 2 students. Number is not divisible by 2. Let us check whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. 7 plus 5. We'll add the digits. Again it is 12 students. 12 is divisible by 3. So here 75 is also divisible by 3 students. 75 is also divisible by 3. So let us divide 75 by 3. Now 3 2s are 6. Here it is 1 extra students. It is 7. So we'll write 15. It will become 15 years students. Now 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. So our answer is 25 students. Our answer is 25. So I'll write 25 students. Now when you will see 25 last digit is 5. It is not divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 3? Let us check. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 is not divisible by 3. So the number 25 is also not divisible by 3. Now what is the next prime number after 3? After 3 next prime number is 5 students. Next prime number is 5. So we'll divide 25. We'll check whether the number 25 is divisible by 5 or not. To check whether the number is divisible by 5 or not, you will see the last digit. When you will see the last digit should be 0 or 5. If last digit is 0 or 5, the number is divisible by 5. Otherwise it is not divisible by 5. Here last digit is 5 students, so the number is divisible by 5. Let us divide 25 by 5. When we will divide the number 25 by 5, it will become 25. 5 5s are 25 students. 5 5s are 25. Our answer will be 5. Now here 5 is a prime number, so 5 1s are 5. And our factor will be 150 is equal to, here students, 5 is a prime number. 5 is a prime number, so no need to proceed. We'll stop here only and we'll write 150 is equal to 2 3 5 and 5. 2 3 5 and 5. So this is our factor students. This is our factor for 150. This is our factor for 150. So students, we have done 1 2 3 4. Students, 4 sums we have done total. So you can try